So if you're considering whether to buy the compact stun gun, you may be asking yourself, how do I use it? The compact stun gun is an easy-to-use personal safety device that has a stun and flashlight setting. To use, first turn the switch from off to on. The switch is found on the bottom of the device above the charger port. Each compact stun gun comes with a micro USB cord to charge. The red light indicates the device is charging. The green light indicates the device is fully charged. The flashlight switch allows you to control the flashlight setting. This is also what you use to set it to stun mode. To change the flashlight options, slide the flashlight switch from the off position to the midpoint position. This will allow you to select dim light, strobe light, or bright light. The stun button is red and on the opposite side of the flashlight switch. Slide the flashlight switch past the midpoint to the armed mode. Then, hold down the red stun button